Hey everyone, it's Marty from Down the Rabbit Hole. We are finally on an adventure. We are headed to a place called Aspen Crossing, which is a glamping place in Alberta with old train cars. This is the first excursion that we've done in like a whole year, so I'm really excited to be making a video about it since I've had a 2-month break on YouTube and I'm ready to get back to it. So here we go.
Camping, here we come.
Aspen Crossing is a campground and train excursion company located east of Calgary, Alberta, near the town of Mossley. Nestled within the campground are 3 retired train cabooses that have been converted into full hotel suites for the ultimate glamping experience. This is where we were headed for a quick one-night getaway.
I just got the key to our caboose cabin here at Aspen Crossing. The gift shop is behind me, and also there's an escape room that they run here, which is currently closed due to COVID. There's also a greenhouse that you can go check out if you feel like buying flowers on your camping trip. Just here in the front parking lot, there's lots of old train cabooses and train cars to go check out. There's also a tavern here that acts as a restaurant and bar. They also deliver food and drink to your caboose cabin, which is pretty convenient. We checked out the gift shop, we checked out the greenhouse. Now it's time to go check in to our caboose cabin. This is our caboose cabin where we will be staying for the night. Let's do a quick tour before the kids dump all their crap inside.
Our caboose cabin had a stocked kitchenette, bathroom with shower, king-size bedroom below with a queen-size bedroom in the cupola, a deck with barbecue, and 2 little balconies. There was also a pull-out bed in the living space, which means this caboose can sleep 6 comfortably.
Kids will go up this ladder and sleep in the cupola up top. There's a queen bed up there, guys. Oh, look at the ceiling. Joey, I loves it.
Nice, good work, Marty.
Thank you. Kids are in their cupola. You guys can open the windows if you want.
Mom, look. Open.
It said the cupola has the best view out of the whole train car.
What is this? Oh, I got a good view.
Joey and I get our own little private balcony out here. Ouch, bare feet. Bare feet on the private balcony hurt. Bare feet on the private balcony hurt. So this is an actual campground as well. You can come here with tents or RVs and trailers, but they also have more than one caboose cabin to stay at. We are staying in the Northern Alberta caboose cabin, which was the high-end one, but I thought if we're only gonna come here once, let's make it a good one. So I went for the deluxe model. But there is also the Union Pacific caboose cabin. And finally, there is the Canadian Pacific caboose cabin. There's also this nice little green space, like a little meadow area, right behind our caboose cabin. So we brought a croquet set. We're gonna set it up here and have a rousing game of croquet later. The wonderful folks at Aspen Crossing even left us a free bag of firewood. That's pretty awesome. A TV and a DVD player. My kids are so excited they can't stop shouting. They even provide you with some DVDs. I think we'll watch Saw 4 with the kids tonight. That sounds good.
Since this video is already getting a little long, I'll stop it here as just a tour of the train car. I'll make a second video all about the campground itself and our camping fun, so check that one out too. We definitely have to go back to Aspen Crossing, especially once the escape rooms and excursion trips open back up again. Would you go glamping in a train car? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and a share. And if you're new, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. To all my returning subscribers, thanks for sticking with me through my dry spell. I hope there's a lot more adventures to come.